In this video, we are going to see how we are able to have a normal and bundle package compared side by side for their profit margin. In this situation, I have set up the formula and the model, and each of the sales they have done for the normal package, the salesperson will entitle for 5%. For each of the quantity they are selling, they will entitle for 100. So let's see how it works. So I have select the product alpha. Excel will automatically populate the cost, and I just need to key the quantity. Now it's 10. So press enter, and at the same time I will get everything updated. The cost itself inclusive of the 5% of commission and 100 per each unit sold. It will be the incentive plus the commission that will be making a loss. So that will be the time to increase the selling price. Maybe I increase from 5,000 to 7,000. So now I have 20%. If let's say I'm going to bundle more things here, beside Alpha, the customer want to buy Bravo for another 5 units. So the price is keep on increasing. You can see it's here. So I want to increase the selling price to 8,000. So it's still making a loss. So how about I want to make it as 10,000. So now I'm making some profit, a little bit profit. Perhaps the customer want to have some bundle. That means they're asking for offer items or free items. So even though it's free item for the customer, we don't charge them, we still have a cost to incur. So I'm going to offer free item for Echo to have 2 Echo. If I do something like this with this kind of offer, I realize the margin is only 5.5%, which is ridiculously low. So I will counter negotiate with the customer. Hey, this is not so good. Then how about we increase the price a little bit so they are able to have a long-term, meaningful relationship. Maybe they will negotiate to 11,000. So I can see now at least I have 14%, which is not a very good amount. My idea will be to at least minimum 25%. So I will keep on increasing the selling price, maybe 111 and 500. See, does it work? No. How about 12,000? Okay, it's almost there. So customer will be asking a little bit more. Now, okay, I can see the border is here 20%. I do not want to go further to offer more things. So this is how we're able to play with Excel, a simple method by having a normal item, the bundle item. We're able to compare the normal and the bundle side by side for their profit margin based on the commission and some incentive inclusive for the salesperson. And this whole thing is able to show us we are able to use Excel to make a better decision before we are going to have a more sales. So hopefully this video gives you some ideas how Excel could do works for you easily. And my name is Star Excel, your Excel Sifu from YXL.